What do you got there, buddy? Who's that?
Freddy.
Freddy, let me see him. Oh my God. That's Freddy right there on TV.
Let's go, Freddy.
Oh my God. So you got Freddy, and who else do you have?
Bonnie.
Let me see Bonnie.
You can't see you.
You gotta put your hand in hers.
Yeah,
Oh,
boy.
you gotta be careful with Bonnie. Okay, and who else do we have? There's Bonnie. Show me how. Oh, there he goes. Okay, we got Bonnie, and that's your favorite, Chica.
Chica. No, mine's my favorite.
Bonnie's your favorite?
Yeah, this is.
Oh my goodness, that's scary. Let me see. Are you gonna bite me? You gonna bite me? I scared. I scared. Good Chica. Oh. No. Oh, let me go,
No,
mister.
Freddy is a creepy character.
Freddy's the creepy character?
Yeah, puppet.
Oh, and who is that? That's my favorite.
He's puppet.
He's the puppet.
And we're making Foxy
Uh-huh.
tomorrow.
Oh, you're making Foxy tomorrow?
Yeah?
That is very cool. I love your puppet. You want to put 2 of them on? Here, I help you.
No, no.
So here's all your characters. We just need Foxy.
Yeah, you can't make Foxy.
What about Balloon Boy?
Balloon Boy's a hard one.
He's a hard one?
Yeah.
I thought the puppet was the hard one.
Puppet's not worse.
He's not that hard?
That's right, you.
What are you going to do now? Dance?
No, make Balloon Boy.
You're going to now make Balloon Boy?
Yeah, he's way out.
Oh, okay. Cool. Let's do it.